welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making some really fun tags for the Halloween series. I'm going to show you guys how to make these adorable, cute little pumpkin tags made out of canvas. I've had these canvas little tags from Michael's a while ago. They came in so many different shapes. We have like stars and hearts and squares, circles, a lot of different shapes. And so I had a whole bunch of these little circle ones, so I thought let me make a nice cute little tag out of them, and we're gonna create these. Now these are gonna be super duper easy to create. I know I say this in all my videos. I know, but literally it's I mean it's like so simple to do. You can literally bang out like so many of these tags in like 10 minutes. I'm not even joking. Okay, so let me show you what we have here. We're going to be using the canvas tags. Are you crooked? There. The canvas tags that I have here. I'm gonna create two with you guys, okay? So you can see how simple it is. If you hear like a really weird noise, is somebody's kind of like chopping some wood in the back yard, and you can probably hear like the saw. Okay, so anyway, two of these. Beautiful. The stickers that I'm using are these stickers from, I believe this is from Target. I believe from Target. If not, the Dollar Tree. I don't remember. It was been a while. And I've had this for quite some time. I'm going to use some pumpkins, and I'm going to kind of add it to my tag, kind of creating a little body for the pumpkin. So I want to add some dimensions on the back of the pumpkin because I want to lift my little pumpkin to give it some dimension. Okay, so let's add some double-sided dimensions in the back of the pumpkin before we glue it down to the tag. And find yourself some kind of like twine or like string or ribbon, whatever you want to add to your tag, so you can use it as a little taggy string to hold it. Okay, so here I have myself some really funky string that I'm going to use. I'm going to add that in my tag first before I do anything. Okay, this is taking longer than I thought. Lucky this video is not gonna be too long. Okay, hold on. Okay, Jenny. Okay, Jenny. Get it together now. Get it together. You got 10,000 people watching you. Woo-hoo. Okay, here we go. Got one in. See? Little cute little tag. This one I'm going to use actually twine. Okay, for that one. Just to give it a little bit of a different look. But honestly speaking, I like using these kind of strings because it's kind of like Halloween appropriate, I think, to me. Anyway, I don't know. I kind of like that. But you can use whatever you want. Okay. There goes our little string through the tag. We have it already and nicely put. You see there? Beautiful. Okay, let's add our pumpkin. So we're going to add a pumpkin to our little tag. I'm going to add some double-sided, well, I already added the double-sided tape adhesive to this with the foam, but I'm also going to add a dab of hot glue because I don't want my pumpkins to fall apart. So let's add some hot glue to the dimension on the back. Okay, and let's add this roughly right here. Okay, see that? Can you guys see? Should I bring you closer? I want to bring you too close. Okay, let's do the same thing with this one. And let's add the pumpkin right in the center of the tag. So you should get something like this. Okay. And these are puffy stickers already. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to add the little legs. What am I using for the legs? I'm using these witch legs from the Recollection Collection. Recollection Collection, that's funny. From Michael's. They have these this year. I did see some of these witch legs. I think they might be a little bit different, but the concept is still there. They're super adorable nonetheless. So I had tons of these left over from last year. We're going to use some of these little witch legs to create our little tag like we did here with these. Okay, so pick your little witch leg, whichever one you want. I'm going to pick some polka dots because you know me, I love my polka dots. I love my polka dots. So I'm going to add the little legs right on the bottom of my pumpkin, and I'm going to add it like this. See, so now you're giving the pumpkin the illusion that the pumpkin has witch legs. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, once you decide where you want your witch legs to be, okay, we're going to reinforce it with some hot glue. But before you do that, we want to make sure that the position of the legs are how you want it to be. So how are we going to do that? First, let's finish off the little tag. I also added some really awesome little bow and a nice little button in the center of the cute pumpkin. Here I have a bow that I already created out of twine. That's going to go in the center. We're going to create another bow for this one. I have another piece here. Okay. And you could make this bow out of anything that you have at home. Ribbons, strings, twine, whatever you have. Even like fabric. You could even make a nice little bow out of fabric too. Okay, there we go. Not the greatest in making bows, but I try. Okay, there we go. Let's trim this out. And this bow is going to go right here in the center of my little pumpkin, okay? So I'm going to add my bow first before I permanently glue down my witch legs, okay? And this is the time where you can play around your witch leg and see where you like it. So I'm going to add my bow right there. And I'm going to add my bow right there. The second bow. Right in the center of my witch legs. Okay? That's beautiful. I love it. It's super duper cute. How cute is that? Perfect. We're going to add a little tiny button right in the center of the bow, just like we did with this one right here. Just like that. And now we're going to reinforce our little witch legs. Because why? Because we like the way it looks. We like it like that. It looks good. We're going to go back and we're going to add a little bit of, you could actually flip it and add just a tiny little bit of glue. Okay? And just reposition it how you want it. Okay? Do the same thing with the other leg. Add a little bit of tiny glue and then reposition it how you want it. My recommendation is, because these are stickers and also the backing of the witch is still sticky, just add a little bit of powder, regular powder, to take the stickiness off, okay? Let's do the same thing with this one. Add a little bit of glue so that the legs don't go anywhere. And we are done with this really fun, adorable little tag. There we go. Marvelous. And that's it. We're done. And that is how you create these little fun, adorable little, oh my god, look how cute these are. I love them. They're so cute. How freaking adorable are these tags, guys? Look how cute these turned out. Aren't they adorable? They're so cute. They're so simple to create. You saw how easy that was, right? Literally, it didn't take us that long to create them. And keep in mind that if you don't have canvas tags, guys, don't go crazy. Just get some paper, create a circle, make a little hole in the center of the circle, or not in the center, but in the top part of the circle. Put through your string, and there you have it. Okay, do not go crazy if you don't have these supplies that I'm using. You can always change it up and just use whatever you have at home. Don't go out and spend money. Use what you have. I hope you guys like this tag. These are so cute. I love them. All right, very good, guys. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think about these adorable, cute pumpkin tags with the witch legs. How cute. Okay, my loves. If you create them, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see your magnificent work. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for your likes and for your amazing comments. I am so happy that you guys like the Halloween series, and I will be continuing on making awesome videos. Love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you soon.